Good morning students. Today we will read the next lesson of Beehive book. The title of the lesson is A Truly Beautiful Mind. This lesson is about Albert Einstein. The title of the chapter refers to Einstein. The title makes one wonder that how can a scientist's mind be beautiful? It is so because the lesson shows another aspect of a scientist. The chapter is the biography of Albert Einstein. He was a humanitarian. He wanted peace, non-violence, and that is why the title refers to him, A Truly Beautiful Mind. So, with this introduction, let us begin reading the lesson. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March in 1879 in the German city of Ulm. Albert Einstein was born in the Ulm city of Germany, and at the time of 14 March in 1879, for about 2.5 years, he could not speak. He could not tell anything. He could not speak anything when he was 2.5 years old. And when he did learn to speak, at last he began to speak, but there was a problem. He uttered every word twice. Uttered. Here, uttered means spoke. He spoke every word twice. His playmates called him Brother Boring. He did not adjust with his playmates, classmates, class environment. He did not know how to behave with other playmates. So his classmates, his playmates called him Brother Boring. And his mother regarded him a freak. Freak. You have to write this word in difficult word meaning. Freak means abnormal person who cannot speak, who do not speak, behave, look, think like other person. His mother thought about Albert Einstein that he was a abnormal person because of the abnormally large size of his head, because his head was too large than the normal size, than the other children of his age. He got admission in school. At school, his headmaster regarded him as stupid and good for nothing. When he was studying in school, his headmaster thought about him that he was a stupid student, and he thought that he did not get success in his life what subject he chose, but he proved them all wrong. But he did not know, his headmaster did not know that later he became a big scientist. At the age of 6, on behest of his mother, he learned to play the violin. When Albert Einstein was 6 years old, his mother wanted that he should learn to play the violin. So he started to play violin, and later he became a gifted violinist. He became a professional violinist at the age of 15. His family shifted to Munich. When Albert Einstein was 15 years old, his family shifted to Munich. He did not feel at ease with the strict regimentation of the school and left it for good. Here, you have to learn the word regimentation. Meaning of regimentation is discipline, regulation. Albert Einstein did not like the school discipline. He hated the rule, regulation of his school, and he often clashed with his teacher. So he thought that he should leave the school, and so he left the school. Later on, for higher education, he joined the university at Zurich. because the atmosphere there was more liberal and amenable to new ideas and concept. Because he thought that the University of Zurich there was an atmosphere of liberty. He, he found freedom there. He found freedom for his new ideas and his new concepts, new projects. He showed more interest in physics and mathematics. He was gifted in mathematics, but he was interested in physics. This shows that physics and mathematics was his favorite subjects. This is the picture of Albert Einstein playing violin. Now you can see the picture where Albert Einstein was with his fellow friend. He met a fellow friend, Maliva Maria, at the university. When he was studying in the University of Zurich, he met a student who was in his class. Her name was Maliva Marik. She was equally intelligent and clever like Albert Einstein. Later on, they married. They had a clear understanding about physics. Later on, they got married and had 2 sons. But Maliva Marik was feeling depressed in his housewife life, and at last, unfortunately means unluckily, their marriage did not survive. They could not live long their marriage, and they had divorced in 1919. After completing his education, when Albert Einstein completed his education, Albert worked as a technical expert in the patent office at Bern. First of all, Albert, when he became graduate, he could not get a job, but at last he got a job as a technical expert in Bern, and there was an office, patent office. He got the job. Here he worked secretly of his idea on relativity, and from here he started doing his work on the theory of relativity. In 1915, he published his paper on special theory of relativity. That 1915 was the turning point in the life of Albert Einstein, because in this year he published his paper on the special theory of relativity, and with the special theory of relativity he gave the world famous equation, you know all well, that E is equal to mc square. In 1915, same year, when he published his paper on general theory of relativity, which gave an absolutely new definition to concept of gravity. Gravity, you know well, गुरुत्वाकर्षण का सिद्धांत. This theory made him a famous figure. He became a famous person in 1915 with the publication of general theory of relativity. Now, in 1919, after 1915, in 1919, during the solar eclipse, his theory came out to be accurate and revolutionized physics. Here he gave the special theory of physics. In 1933, he emigrated to USA as Nazis had come to power in Germany. He had to leave Germany, his birthplace, because Nazis had occupied the USA, the Germany, and he emigrated to USA. He did not want his finding and research to be used for destruction. Though Albert Einstein was interested in physics and he was doing work in the theory of relativity, but he did not want any destruction in his country. In 1938, when Germany discovered the principle of nuclear fission, at that time in Germany there was the physicists of Germany, they were doing work on nuclear fission. He was the first person to write to the American president. At the time he was living in USA, and with the help of his friend he wrote a letter to American president to tell him about the danger of atomic bomb. In 1945, when American dropped the atomic bomb on Nagasaki and Hiroshima, Albert Einstein did not know that America was also doing research on atomic bomb. In 1945, America dropped the atomic bomb on the two small cities of Germany, Nagasaki and Hiroshima. He was deeply hurt. Einstein was deeply hurt. He was depressed, and again he wrote, first time he wrote a letter to the American president. This time he wrote a letter to the United Nations for the formation of a world government, because he wanted to prevent the recurrence of such destruction. He did not want that the atomic bomb could destroy any city of any country. He spent his later days, he left his work on physics, and he spent his later days in politics. He came in politics advocating, and he started his work in advocating world peace and democracy. Albert Einstein was died at the age of 76 in the year 1955.
थैंक यू बोल दो।
Thank you.